As part of our motorsport series, JK Tyre Racing Lines Times Now was at the state-of-the-art Buddh International Circuit to cover the 17th JK Tyre Racing Championship. The races saw hard fights and some really talented drivers going flat out in some really fast cars. Here's all that and more.
The third round of the 17th JK Tyre Racing Championship moved on to the world-class Buddh International Circuit, inarguably the country's best racing track.
Anything which goes down the wire is what is part of our program. The whole system we've learned from our past mistakes. Today the happiest moment is when you see a grid which starts with 14 years old and ends at 16-year-olds. So we know we are on the right path. A grid which has a BMW powered FB02 class. We know we've got the technology under us. We come to Buddh, we know we are on the best of infrastructure. I don't think 2 years from now, if we keep making this progress, we will have any excuse to make if our children don't go up into higher levels, higher echelons and make a mark for themselves.
The championship runs 3 racing categories: the International Spec Formula BMW, the Indigenous Formula LGB4 and the single-make VW Polo R Cup. The grids of all the categories had some of the country's youngest and best racing talent. And the races were hard-fought affairs. There was a new category addition this year in the form of the JK Tyre Superbike category, which was an attempt to promote liter class bike racing in the country. The grid of racers were both a mix of amateur and professional races, and seeing the liter class rockets line up at the start had the crowd going crazy.
Amateurs, they're doing like 207s, 206. This is not a joke on this kind of conditions. So we are very, very excited. And if everything falls in place, everything goes as per plan, I am quite sure that either next round or the round after that, we will have some senior riders from the MotoGP world coming in and mixing them with our boys to up the ante at this level.
JK Tyre has been holding up the mantle and been honing driver talent in the country for close to 2 decades now, and seeing the driving talent on display over the weekend, it looked like they've invested in a bond that is set to pay off huge dividends. As awareness about motorsport grows in the country and with the kind of talent that we already have, it looks like India is all set to take on the world of international motorsport by the horns in the years to come.